It's about the currency, capital of Lincoln. You go bad if you no get money, identity too classy. Everything's a flashy. Money speaking bullshit. She I tell you, I be she be I tell you. What is equal to naira can surely control the border. Our Burundi ginger, we change your dollar to naira. And money speaking bullshit.
No, last 19, 99, I control the promo 19. I my prayers.
What? Phone card? You know you can be prosecuted for that. Jesus is Lord. You will end up in McDonald's. What? Phone card? Phone card? You will move out of this house.
If you want to marry a husband, I know you know.